Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts and market observers. We're delighted to welcome you aboard here on Key to Crypto, or KTC, your ultimate hub of everything related to crypto. Prepare yourselves for an exciting journey, going through all the important updates, the twists of trends, and news that mold the ever-evolving landscape of digital currencies. Feel free to check out our previous videos for all the news and updates on crypto. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss whenever we upload. And comment down your questions or thoughts with our official hashtag #KTC or #FutureOfFinance. And now let's get on with the video. Today we'll be talking about Mark Yusko and his insights on Bitcoin and crypto. But first, who is he and why is he making waves in the crypto world? Mark Yusko is the CIO and founder of Morgan Creek Capital. Morgan Creek Capital Management, LLC, is a game changer in the world of investment. Founded with a vision that's as bold as it is innovative, this SEC-registered investment advisor is all about bringing the strategies that have fueled the success of large university endowments to institutional and family office investors. What's their secret sauce? Well, it's all about blending the old with the new, merging alternative investments seamlessly into traditional equity and fixed income portfolios. They're here to offer customized outsourced investment solutions for those who need a tailored approach. But that's not all. Morgan Creek also offers discretionary strategies to help clients construct investment programs, all rooted in the proven university endowment model. Now, here's where it gets exciting. The Morgan Creek team is stacked with experts who've cut their teeth in some of the country's top university endowment programs, including Notre Dame, UNC Chapel Hill, Duke, and Stanford. With this wealth of experience and a knack for allocating capital across all asset classes, they've built a global network that gives them access to the cream of the crop when it comes to investment managers. From their headquarters in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, to their investment research hub in Shanghai, and investment professionals scattered across various U.S. cities, Morgan Creek's reach is global. They're all about helping clients with global allocations, whether it's hedge funds, traditional equity and fixed income, absolute return strategies, emerging markets, credit, private equity, real estate, venture capital, or even energy and natural resources. Welcome to the story behind Morgan Creek, where visionary Mark W. Yusko, the former Chief Investment Officer of the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, UNC Endowment, laid the foundation in July 2004. But this isn't just your run-of-the-mill investment firm, it's a powerhouse of experience and expertise. You see, the core of the Morgan Creek team isn't just a bunch of strangers. It's a tight-knit group that has shared the fiduciary duty of managing one of the most complex endowment management programs in the entire country. Mr. Yusko, along with Managing Director Mike Hennessy, played pivotal roles in building the investment office and management company operations for the UNC Endowment. They didn't stop there. They were instrumental in working hand-in-hand with the Investment Fund Board. Together, they crafted investment policies, set ambitious goals and objectives, laid down a strategic framework, handpicked investment managers, and mastered the art of managing portfolio risk. Before we continue, just a quick reminder, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for a regular dose of enlightening content, and ensure those notifications are turned on, so you're always in the loop about our latest videos. Get ready for some crypto wisdom straight from the source. Mark Yusko is in the house, and he's dropping knowledge bombs. Brace yourself, because after the speculative blow-off, we might see a little chill in the air, what we like to call crypto winter, when things cool down a bit. But that's not all. Yusko has a bold prediction up his sleeve. Bitcoin is on the path to becoming the new gold. Yup, you heard it right. According to this crypto visionary, Bitcoin is set to dethrone gold as the base layer of money. Think of it as digital gold, but with superpowers. It's portable, it's divisible, and it's got an immutable ledger to boot. It's the ultimate base layer for the future of finance. Now, don't get us wrong, other players like Ethereum and blockchain tech have their roles to play. But for Yusko, Ethereum is more like the next-gen fiat currency replacement. Yusko is making a bold prediction. He believes that the perfect storm is brewing in the Bitcoin world thanks to a combination of two game changers. First, there's the upcoming halving event on the Bitcoin network, which has historically sent shockwaves through the crypto universe. And then, there's the potential green light for BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF. According to Yusko, these two forces are poised to unleash tens of billions, if not hundreds of billions of dollars, into the physical spot market for Bitcoin. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Yusko boldly proclaims that the current skepticism and reluctance among traditional investment giants towards the crypto industry will vanish into thin air the moment that ETF gets the green light. Those barriers that have been keeping institutional investors at bay, well, they're about to crumble. And no one, and I mean no one, will be able to resist the allure of crypto, whether it's UBS, Merrill Lynch, or any other financial heavyweight. Yusko also sheds light on a fascinating aspect of human behavior in the world of crypto. You see, sentiment has taken quite a roller coaster ride since the last crypto bull run. Back then, everyone and their grandma were eager to jump on the crypto train, especially the big institutional players. But here's the twist. These days, they're not shouting from the rooftops about crypto anymore. Why? Because as Yusko puts it, they're buying what they wish they would have bought. In other words, when crypto was at its peak, they were cheering it on. But now that it's on sale, they've suddenly vanished from the scene. It's a bit like running out of a store when everything's up for grabs at discounted prices. Now, here's where it gets even more fascinating. Yusko points out that in just about every other aspect of life, people would practically trample over each other to snag a great deal. But when it comes to investing, it's the opposite story. Yusko sums it up beautifully. Humans are really simplistic animals. They tend to buy what they wish they'd bought earlier and sell what they think they'll need in the future. So, there you have it, the curious psychology of investors in the world of crypto. It's a reminder that the crypto journey is not just about numbers and charts. It's also a fascinating study of human behavior. Let's switch gears and talk about stocks and bonds, where Mark Yusko shines a spotlight on a curious pattern of behavior that's been playing out over the long haul. It's a pattern that, as he puts it, is objectively observable. To back up his point, he pulls out the big guns, a 2-decade data set from JP Morgan. According to this treasure trove of data, stocks delivered an impressive compounded return of 8.5% over that period, while bonds brought in a respectable 5.5%. Now, here's the kicker. All you had to do was pick one of these options and write it out. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. Over the same time frame, the average investor only managed to pull in meager gains of 2.9%. That's a head-scratcher. And here's where the sage advice comes in. Yusko believes that young investors should wholeheartedly embrace volatility rather than playing it safe with risk-free investments like bonds. In fact, he goes so far as to say that it should be against the law for folks aged 20 to 65 to own bonds. Why? Because if you've got a half century or more ahead of you, you should be diving headfirst into the highest volatility assets. The so-called risk-free investments might seem safe, but in reality, they often leave cautious investors with near zero profits, thanks to that pesky inflation that eats away at your gains. So, there you have it, guys. Volatility is not the enemy, it's your friend. That's it for now. If you enjoyed today's content, show your support with a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share your questions, thoughts, and suggestions in the comments section. Together, let's build a community where curiosity and wisdom are freely exchanged and nurtured. Until next time, and remember the future of finance is here with Key to Crypto, or KTC.